What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix your Bluetooth here on iPhone if it's not connecting or pairing to any device. Let's say you're trying to connect or to pair to a specific device, whether it's a speaker or AirPods or simply generic earphones or anything like that, but it's not pairing. So I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video if it's a software problem. I'm going to rule out all the possibilities of bugs and issues that are causing this issue. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, very first thing you need to double check in here, for example, if you've got an iPhone 16 Pro, you need to hop into settings real quick. You're gonna tap on Bluetooth and you want to double check if your Bluetooth accepts you to toggle it on or off. If it doesn't allow you to toggle it on or off, I would recommend you guys to skip to the step where we perform a forced restart, okay? Because that may be a much complicated or deep scenario. But in case you're able to toggle it off and on, but it's simply not connecting, no problem, because I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video. So first things first, all you want to do is pretty much find the device you're willing to connect to, and then you want to tap on the little I button in here. So once you type on I, you want to tap on device type, and you want to make sure that you select the most accurate description of that specific device. If it really allows you to get to this section in here, double check the type of device. If it's a headphone, tap on headphone. If it's a speaker, tap on speaker, and this will somewhat help you connecting. Now, other thing is to simply tap on forget this device, okay? Tap on forget this device, tap on forget device, and then turn off Bluetooth for approximately 30 seconds. You then want to return on or simply turn it back on, and then search for the same Bluetooth device and reconnect it real quick. Okay, so this is the very first step in here that you need to perform in order to see if you're able to connect to your Bluetooth device or not. Now, if this doesn't help fixing the problem that we've got, don't worry, we're moving into the next step. Next up, what I would recommend you guys to do might be a bit silly, but it really helps out. We're gonna hop into settings real quick, and then we're gonna scroll down all the way to general here within the second stack of settings, okay? So we're gonna tap on general, and then we're gonna tap on about. You want to hop into about real quick, and then over here you want to tap on name. Okay, so this is the name of your phone, and it's how the other Bluetooth devices are seeing your device whenever they connect to you. So you want to hop into about, and then over here you want to rename the name of your device. For example, mine is Fixed by Shaq subscribe, so I'm going to simply tap on X, and then I'm going to allocate a new name. For example, you can just add a little small digit, for example, like a number 1 or a number 2, anything like that. I'm going to change it, for example, to Fixed by Shaq only. Before it was Fixed by Shaq subscribe, I'm going to tap on OK, and then we're going to continue here by trying to reconnect it from the Bluetooth section. What happens is sometimes, the devices, they get into a collision or interference that creates a bug which is not connecting to the same saved device. So what I would recommend you guys is to do this so you can double check if you're able to connect right now with a different name. It's going to recognize it as a brand new name, which can actually be helpful. Now, if this doesn't help fixing the problem that we've got, we're moving into the next step in here, where we're going to close settings, and then we need to perform a forced restart here with our iPhone device. So if you have an iPhone which is 8 or 8 Plus model or above, like mine, I've got a 16 Pro in here. In order to perform a forced restart, all you want to do is rapidly tap on volume up and then down, and then press and hold the power button. This is how it goes: volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button, okay? And then to press it continuously for approximately 8 seconds until you see the Apple logo on your screen. There we go, my phone is now rebooting, and as soon as I see the Apple logo on my screen, I'm gonna release the button and let it turn on normally. Now, what this essentially does is it reboots your iPhone from a deep sleep, and it cuts all the power which was being supplied to the motherboard, and then it rejuices it up with power again. It pretty much restarts your computer or iPhone as if it's coming from a deep sleep, which is something that helps processing much faster and clearing a few bugs that keep on coming from time to time. There we go. Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, the process is the following. You're gonna press and hold the volume down button along with the power button. Press and hold it continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're gonna release the buttons combination to let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, if you do have a much older iPhone device, for example, an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 5 or an iPhone with the physical home button down here, all you want to do is press and hold the physical home button along with the power button until you see the Apple logo, and once you see, you're going to release both of the buttons combination. Now, please note that on pretty old iPhone devices, for example, iPhone 4 or 5, the power button is located at the top and not at the right. So what you're going to do in that scenario, you're going to press and hold the physical home button along with the power button at the top until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're going to release the buttons combination to reboot your iPhone normally. Now, if this doesn't help fixing the problem, which I believe in most cases it fixes the problem that you've got, we're moving into the next step. We're going to hop into settings here real quick, and then we're going to scroll down all the way to general right here. Next up, we're going to scroll down all the way to transfer or reset iPhone. We're going to hop into transfer or reset iPhone, and then we'll tap on reset real quick. Now, please do this cautiously. It will not delete any data, but just for security reasons, make sure that you do not tap in here on a wrong setting, okay? Next thing you want to do is simply tap on reset network settings and then see if this solves the problem that you've got. Pretty much what you're doing is reset all settings which are related to network and to connectivity here with your iPhone, so you actually restart everything from scratch as default. It doesn't delete anything, it's just settings, so no problem at all. I hope all these videos really helped you out, but if it didn't help you out, you can move into one last step, which is to check for updates. You may be here in a situation where you do have, for example, a software update which is pending. So hop into general under settings, tap on software update, and see if you do not have any pending update. Because if you do have a pending update, you want to make sure you try updating your iPhone device in here, because you might be having a specific bug which is preventing you to connect to Bluetooth, okay? It happens a lot. It's very common and it's something fixed always with new updates. And do not worry, updating your phone also doesn't make you lose any data. So this was it for today, guys. I hope this video was really helpful, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech-related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech related issues. I appreciate you watching till the end of the video, and let me know down in the comment section, of course, if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.